Hello guys, welcome back. So friends, in this session we will see how to create root user account in GNOME interface for Kali Linux operating system. As we all know that in normal interface of Kali Linux, KDE interface of Kali Linux, we create just root password to enable the root account. So first we will see that by creating the root password our root account is enabled or not. So for this we will use the command sudo apt and sudo apt password root, and after that you have to give the password of your normal account, and you have to here you have to create the password of your root account. So create it. So as you can see, password update successfully. So now we have to just simply log out from our normal user and we will log in into our root user. So log out, and as you can see here we have our normal user as a hack, and here
Access denied.
and we will now enable our root user account just by installing its agent. For installing its agent you have to open up your terminal, and here you are going to write sudo apt install hyphen y to give the permission, hyphen y to give the permission, and Kali so for this we will use the command sudo apt and sudo password root, and here we are going to create a new password and set up your password, and as you can see password updated successfully. Now let's check that our root account is enabled or not. Just log out. And now as you can see we have successfully enabled our root user account. So friends, if you have learned something valuable from our today's session, like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my new videos. So that's it for our today's session. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, take care. Goodbye.